Life is good, but it can be better. AR and VR, what is it? Virtual reality and augmented reality are changing the way we use screens, creating new and exciting interactive experiences. Virtual reality uses a headset that has head tracking, which allows you to look around the virtual environment, while augmented reality is a bit different because instead of putting you in a virtual world, it overlays on the real world around you. If you could look around all these technologies and the internet for what could possibly be the next big thing, always at the top has been VR and AR. Meta, previously known as Facebook, have been investing on VR and AR future. And makes you wonder, is it actually the future? Meta says it will be the future we're all going to be living in, like using VR all the time, like the one in the movie Ready Player One. Meta adds what people do in real life and put it in the metaverse, and some of these activities they put on the metaverse are actually really impressive. If they can get this VR versions real enough, then they'll be making this metaverse thing actually happen. They got Zoom, but better. They've built an entire virtual meeting room where you can do video conferencing in VR with other people. And Meta also announced this at their keynote, like this live avatar demo thing that looked absolutely crazy. It is where you use your phone to take a full scan of yourself, and then the headset takes that and make a hyper realistic version of you and put you in the virtual environment, complete with that face tracking and eye tracking and all that type of stuff. So now instead of just a Zoom call or a Google Meet, you can do it in the metaverse, which makes a really good meeting place where all of these other people from all over the world all in one room with all the advantages of eye contact, facial expressions, and all that type of stuff.
I'm a sexy little baby.
There are already other companies that has been developing VR stuff. Like now we have the Valve Index, the HTC Vive, but one company is at the top. It is Meta with their Meta Quest 2 with ratings averaging on 4.5 stars on PC Gamer, and their new release, the Meta Quest Pro with its AR feature. And we're also expecting Apple to reveal its take on AR and VR, but I doubt that it will be better than Meta because Meta has already made so many connections, many technologies. They even bought out so many VR companies and VR studios. The only downside of this is that there is only one company investing so much for the foundation of AR and VR, especially Meta and its issues before. We all know it was previously known as Facebook, and they are known for their 4-year-old lawsuit seeking damages for letting third party access the private data of users and their use of targeted advertising on their users on the Facebook app. And them having that much control over people and the future of the internet, I mean, they can possibly use eye tracking to make sure you see certain ads, and that's the part where I will not be on board with. Also, to add, this is not a con, by the way. It is when two or more companies go against each other. It's actually when we win because they compete and do better things, and we get more better performance, better build quality, better features, and better servers, and all that type of stuff. That is all I can say about this topic. Thank you for watching.